Do you want auto subscription link and where people can just click on the link for the subscription and they get automatically notification? Then let's get started. I'm right now in my YouTube channel, and whenever you are going to give a link for your user to subscribe, you may give a link like this one. And if that is not the case, then you may give link like this one, which YouTube automatically may send the user to your channel and they get like subscribe. Okay, but one more trick is there where you can just get automatic notification or get automatic subscriber while they are clicking on the link. For that one, you are going to write here, for example, question mark and sub underscore confirmation and is equal to 1. Whenever or the link which you have for your YouTube channel, after that you are going to write question mark and sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1 and then press. And now you are going to see that when it will load, then automatically you get confirmation channel subscription, and they are like you are forcing them to subscribe. And that is one of the best way to do and get more subscriber for your YouTube channel. One more, like if you have I'm going to copy that link, and if you have like this type of YouTube channel where you have not customized your YouTube link or URL, then you are going to directly paste or write after the whatsoever you have question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1, and when they are going to click or you are going to share that link, you will get auto subscription notification where they are asking you to get a subscriber. And that is one of the best way where you can increase your subscriber with more amazing and quick way. I hope you got the idea. If you like, thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe, because I'm going to give you more amazing videos in future.